Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. This is our K5 Writing with Phonics, page 11 and 12. All right, we're going to learn how to write the letter O today, and I believe we're going to be learning this letter next week, but this is the letter O, and it says ah, ah, ah. All right, so it is a fairly simple letter. It's going to be under the dotted line in the downstairs. Whoops, I got to get my pen on, I'm sorry. Under the dotted line in the downstairs. And it will be a little ball or circle stroke. Circle, 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 and circle stroke. Good job. All right, and then the capital O is going to be in the upstairs and the downstairs. It's going to go from the top line to the red line. It's going to be a large circle stroke. Ready? Circle, 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 and around. Good job. All right, and then our lowercase a, remember, that says I, is going to be under the dotted line in the downstairs. It goes around, circle, and a pull down. Circle and a pull down. And then here we have the letter E that says eh. It's under the dotted line. Push across, up, and around. Push across, up, and around. Push across, up, and around. All right, let's flip over on the back. All right, and so now we're going to do our lowercase I. And so it's going to be under the dotted line with a dot in the upstairs. So it's the pull down in the downstairs. Ready? Pull down with a dot. Pull down with a dot. And then our letter U that says is a smile under the dotted line with a pull down. Oh, that was bad. Miss Hendry's pen messed up. Let me try again. Ready? Smile, pull down. Smile, pull down. Smile, pull down. All right, and then your letter E is push across, up, and around. Push across, up, and around. Circle stroke for I and a pull down. Circle and a pull down. Circle and a pull down. These are our vowel sounds. The letter O is a circle stroke, circle stroke, circle stroke, circle stroke. These are our vowel sounds. I, I, ah, and I, I, ah. These are our vowel sounds. Every word has a vowel. All right, sweet friends, I will see you later.